Hi there! This is one video I've been waiting to make for a very long time. Does Amazon Prime Video work on the Me TV? Probably one of the most asked questions. Well, I finally figured out a way. Continue watching this video to see a step-by-step process on how to watch Amazon Prime Video on your Me TV 4. This is your friend Singh. Let's get started. So most of you who have the Me TV already know that sideloading the Amazon Prime Video doesn't play movies. It either crashes or either it returns back to the same page. So the process I'm going to show you in this video is technically a workaround as the app doesn't work. You will need three things: Amazon Prime membership, a wired or a wireless USB mouse. I'm using a wireless mouse for this demonstration. And thirdly, you need a Chrome browser installed on your Me TV. Now there is a specific version of Chrome browser that you need to install. You need to install that from Aptio TV, which I will be demonstrating in a few minutes. You need to make sure you install only that version because I've tested that. And for those who don't know how to download the Aptio TV, I've made a separate video on that. You can click the card up here. So let's begin. Let's go to the Aptio TV app first. Go to the search, type Chrome. Click search. In your search results, you will see two Chromes. The one on the top with 5 stars, the one below with 3 stars. Download this one with the Chrome icon. Click install. So meanwhile this downloads, let's plug in the mouse USB dongle on the USB port of the Me TV. Click done. Go back, and you will see Chrome browser installed in your apps. Open. Now you will see that the mouse cursor has popped up in the middle of the screen. Click accept and continue. Turn off data saver. Click next. Type Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime Video. Once this page pops up, come to the 3 dots here and click on desktop site. Do not miss this step or the videos will not work. Very important. Make sure desktop site is always clicked. Click here. Click on sign in. Enter your Amazon email ID and password. Make sure you click on keep me signed in so that you don't have to keep entering this again and again. Alright, once you come in here, go to the 3 dots and make sure desktop site is clicked on. This is your choice whether you want to save the password. I click on save. Alright, let's play something. Let's play. Okay, AmazonPrimeVideo.com wants to play protect content. Your device identity will be verified by Google. Click allow. Kong Skull Island. Play. And come on here and you will see, click 2-3 times till it reaches the full screen. There you go. Now the thing is, with the mouse you can only pause it. That's the only thing you can do with the mouse. You cannot scroll further or back. But with the remote, if you take the Me remote and you press the button on the right, it goes ahead. So you press right, it goes further ahead. You press right, it goes ahead. So okay, you can use the remote for scrolling front and back. Let's go further ahead. Let's play something else. Okay. Hotel Transylvania 2. And let's click play. And let's click full screen here. There it is. Same way you can scroll ahead and back and forward. So you can do that as well. Let's try one more video file. Okay, let's try Tarak Mehta Ulta Chashma. That's a favorite for many people. Let's click play. Click on full screen on the right. There you go. Same way, you can scroll forward or backwards with the Wii remote. Volume obviously will be controlled from here itself. So, and it works without any stutter. It's really smooth. Make sure you have a good internet connection. Make sure you download the correct version of the Chrome browser. Of course, you can still scroll up and down with the remote. You can go up and down, but you can't select. See, you can go down, you can go up, but you cannot choose. So that's exactly why we need the mouse. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comment section and let me know whether it worked for you, it didn't work for you. If there are any questions regarding the Mi TV, I'll be happy to help. Of course, don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, cheers.